This is the third episode of a 4-part series about how we turned this dilapidated 2-bedroom terrace house in Bedfordshire into a modern 3-bedroom house. In the second episode, we moved the staircase closer to the rear garden door, connected the kitchen with the living area by opening up a large case doorway, fitted a new kitchen, installed a new floor base, and built a wooden deck in the back garden. In this episode, we will continue with the finishing works in the property. On the ground floor, we fitted the toilet under the stairs. Upstairs, we finished the partitioning of the walls and plastered all through, turning the property to a 3-bedroom house. Bedroom number 2 is the new addition, which we carved out from a part of the old bathroom plus the space recovered from the position of the old staircase. Former door leading to the master's bedroom was converted to a small wardrobe for this new room. A new door was created for the master's bedroom. It was also replastered and fitted with a slightly bigger wardrobe. A space was carved out for a family bathroom. It's not big, but it's functional enough to get the job done, which we consider was a good price to pay in order to squeeze a single bed space out of this small floor space. The property has also been completely rewired, just waiting to have the final electrical fittings done. third bedroom has also been plastered and fitted with a small wardrobe. That way, every room in the property has a wardrobe to keep items away from sight. Downstairs, we continue updating the kitchen. We had first installed tiles on the kitchen floor, but later decided to install wooden laminate to make it uniform with the rest of the ground floor. Fitted lights all over and installed new eco-friendly electric heating systems as there are no gas connections in the local area. In the fourth but last episode of this series, we will be revealing the final result of this refurbishment project. Please subscribe to the channel to be notified immediately we upload that video, and don't forget to like and leave your comments. If you didn't watch the previous episode, please click on any of the video links popping up on your screen right now. Thank you for watching.